Good afternoon, colleagues. It gives me great pleasure to be here this afternoon to give this talk on symbiotic association between gut microbiota and nutritional metabolism. Please permit me to say a very big thank you to the organizers of this faculty lecture for having me here this afternoon. May I please stand by the existing protocol as I go on with my talk? The symbiotic association between gut microbiota and nutritional metabolism. By way of introduction, I want to say that there's a complex relationship between gut microbiota and nutritional metabolism. What is this gut microbiota that we're talking about? These are the microbes that are found in the gut, that is, in the gastrointestinal tract of every living being. Now, this gut microbiota has a lot of importance in the health and the metabolism of humans. There are key functions of this gut microbiota plays in nutritional metabolism. One is the fermentation of dietary fiber. The gut microbiota is involved in the production of short-chain fatty acids such as acetate, propionate, and butyrate. It plays a role in the energy metabolism and modulation of host physiology. The second key function of this gut microbiota is in the metabolism of dietary proteins and fats. It plays this role by the synthesis of essential amino acids, vitamins, and bioactive compounds. It also has an influence on the lipid absorption, cholesterol metabolism, and bile acid metabolism. Now, what are the implications of this gut microbiota for human health and diseases? One is dysbiosis. By this, I mean that there can be a disruption of gut microbiota composition and function. Then the gut microbiota has also been implicated in some metabolic disorders like obesity, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and inflammatory bowel disease. Now, what are the therapeutic approaches and future directions? We could have a potential intervention to modulate gut microbiota and improve metabolic health by one, increasing the intake of probiotics, prebiotics, dietary modifications, fecal microbiota transplantation. And lastly, we could also have research directions for exploring the therapeutic potential of gut microbiota in metabolic disorders. I want to say a very big thank you for inviting me today. Thank you and God bless.